Hi everybody, so I played Stanley Parable again, and I am not quite sure what the goal is yet because I feel like there could be a couple options. Obviously, the first goal that everyone realized was to disable the mind control, and then I was thinking that there could be a possible goal of finding how many alternative endings there could be, because when I was playing, there ended up being 3 different ways to restart the game, and one of them was if you go down in the basement, and stay there long enough, the narrator suggests that Stanley's going crazy, and then it shows this scene where a woman finds him dead on the sidewalk, and then after his little monologue, it starts the game over. So that could be a thing, I'm not quite sure. And then also finding out where the coworkers are. I feel like that's definitely a goal that is in the game. It's definitely classified as a game because there's a goal, which even though we're not sure what that is yet, we have seen some possible goals that there could be. Also, there's rules, so you have to follow the narrator's directions a lot of the time, or else he gets mad at you and yells at you a lot, which also is part of the system feedback. So if you aren't following the rules long enough, you end up dying. So that's kind of interesting. And then voluntary participation, you have to physically move Stanley. That's the only way to get the game to work. So other than that, you can't play or move forward in the game. So it definitely classifies as a game, and player choice has consequence in this game. I would have to completely agree with that because, like I said, I didn't follow the narrator's directions and went down in the basement, and the narrator pretty much killed Stanley, so it has a consequence. Hopefully we can figure out what the goal is later on. I definitely am intrigued to keep playing the game and figure out all the little ins and outs of what's going on and unravel the mystery of how to play it and everything. So for my game idea, I don't really have a whole lot yet. I kind of want it to be driven by puzzle though, so each level you have to solve a puzzle to move on. And then I was thinking to add an element of surprise. You could do 2 possible ways to solve the puzzle, or even multiple ways, and then each one would lead to 2 different options. So every time you'd have a totally different game if you wanted, and you'd just keep playing it, and it would add a lot of surprise and want the player to keep playing. So I think that's all I have right now. Yeah, so that's it.